Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. Guys, this afternoon I'm going to make some drops, coconut drops. I have 3 coconuts over here. I have some ginger. I cut up some already. I have 2 cups of water, a little bit of salt, and I have vanilla, sugar over there. So guys, I'm going to break my coconut, start cutting them, and then I'll get right back to you guys. So I'm going to start breaking my coconut. I have my we used to go in the rivers and catch the coconut and make drops to go to school and sell. It's not easy. Life before was not easy. It was a lot of fun. Now it's very stressful. Nowadays life is very stressful. My life back then was much easier more than now. Heat up and then I add my coconut and my ginger. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut my ginger, cut up all of my ginger. And I cut my gingers in cubes. So you guys gonna taste it. to stop by and see what we are doing over on sister's channel. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so I'm going to add my coconut. email and tell me where you're watching from so we can give you a shout out in the next video. So give us at least 5 minutes for it to cool down and then I will show you everything, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, this is the finished product of my coconut drops. As you can see, they sit very nice. So I'm going to put them in my plate over here. Guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, please. And tell me where you're watching from. This was the first one I dropped. It came out very nice too. Very nice. So I could start dropping them from the same time I dropped the first one. All of them came out very nice. No shelly ones. They all came out nice. Last one that I see. That's my coconut drops, guys. So remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you in our next video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video.